Hey guys, selling my 2003 Infiniti G35 Sport Coupe, fully loaded. Everything's factory on it. There are a few things that I have upgraded on this car, and I will show it in the video. Go ahead and get started. Overall condition, I think it's my personal car. I've owned it for 10 years. I think I'm the third owner. I think 1 through 10 being the best. I think a dealer would definitely take this in on trade and rate it definitely a 9. A lot of things that I did upgrade. Headlights, they're all brand new. Show those off. The bulbs, everything, they're all brand new. They're probably 4 months old. The old ones were getting kind of dingy. The wheels, these are the 18-inch. These are the big ones. These are the ones you want with when you bought an 03 or 04 Sport Coupe. A lot nicer. They have been refinished. When I bought the car, there were a few scratches. Had them cleaned up and then had them refinished. But anyway, they're showing a little bit of sign over the course of 10 years since I had them refinished. These are the upgrade rotors. I did put drilled slotted rotors, zinc coated from Summit Racing. Pads, of course, they're brand new. Everything, all the brakes all the way around, brakes, rotors, they're brand new. I would say the brakes probably front and rears altogether probably have maybe 3,000 miles on them. And these are zinc coated on the fronts and zinc coated on the rears. Show off the side there. As far as door dinks, there's really no door dinks on this side. I just had it detailed for the pictures. And I noticed this little rub mark. It can be buffed out. But anyway, I could probably do it with my finger. But anyway, on the driver's side, it's pretty much excellent condition. Nothing at all. And on the passenger side, since I bought it, noticed a few little ripples down at the bottom of the door there. See if I can get it in the video. Down at the bottom. Body shop people don't know how that happened. They can't figure out how it happened, but they're little tiny ripples, kind of particular. There are a few little spots of door dinks. See if I can show that. They're so minor. These are droplets from getting it detailed. But anyway, there's like 2 little door dinks. Here's one. See if I can get in there. And this is, I guess somebody touched it up or something before I bought it. But anyway, I never messed with it. I will tell you that the hood has been repainted. Clear coat was coming off of it. It's 2003, so it was showing some signs of wear. I love the car, and I just went ahead and had the hood repainted, had the top repainted, and the trunk. And then when I had the trunk repainted, I did have them keep off the G35 and the Infiniti lettering here. It's just a pain in the neck when you go to wash it. It's a cleaner look, but anyway. Car's never been wrecked. The mufflers, the exhaust, dual exhaust. This is a brand new dual exhaust system. Well, I should say it's probably a year old. Probably has maybe 10,000 miles on the exhaust. Tires are brand new, brand spanking new. Bought them about a month ago, thinking I was going to keep it over the winter, but I need to upgrade to an SUV. That's the only reason really why I'm selling it. While I'm focusing on the wheels, might as well show them all off. Again, rotors, brakes all the way around are brand new. Oh, the tires. Tires are these are the correct size tires, front and back. Just like factory, 245s, 45 R18s. These are the 100 Vs. See if I can show you these are the Continentals. Conti ProContact SSR on the rears. Excellent condition. And then on the front are the same. See if I can show off that Continental ProContact SSR badge right there. And the fronts are 225 45 R18s, and these are the 91V series. So the sizes on the tires are correct. And I do want to point out, I did have the side mirrors repainted. I babied this thing, but anyway, again, I've got to sell it. On the inside, pretty much excellent condition. There's 3 little areas. Of course, the driver's seat showing some wear on the very corner, which I'll show you. Passenger seat is excellent condition. Power heated seats, everything's all leather, black leather. center console and the handles on the doors, they were upgraded to carbon fiber. Show that off there. It was professionally done by myself. I'm pretty detailed oriented, but definitely I think any dealer would agree on the carbon fiber wrap. I think they would definitely say it looks pretty professional. I was pretty proud. Power door locks, power locks. Passenger door lock does not work. Never worked when I bought it. I never messed with it. So anyway, the power lock on the passenger door does not work. Power windows work fine. Driver's side power window went out on me a couple of years ago, and evidently it's a problem. So common problem on these Infinitis, but I did have the power motor replaced. And show off that carbon fiber finish on the door handle. That was showing a little bit of wear, so I covered it and wrapped it. Power windows, power locks. Power locks work fine. Sometimes when it gets hot in the summertime, this one won't work, so I just use the key right here. And yeah, anyway, it's just every now and then. Okay, here's the other issue on the inside. Normal wear and tear. Vinyl repair kit will fix that. I actually fixed it a couple years ago and just never bothered messing with it again. Seats, I would say definitely better than average. I would definitely put this G35 up to any other G35 that's pretty much stock. But brand new, I say brand new, a couple years ago, starter was replaced. Turn down the volume. Starter was replaced on this. Radiator was replaced a couple years ago, and I did have a camshaft sensor replaced on it. And while they did that, I went ahead and had all the gaskets replaced, top and bottom, oil pan gasket, even the oil filter gasket, and valve cover gaskets. I've done everything just to make sure that this isn't gonna conk out on me. Definitely normal wear and tear. And mileage right now 167,979, so a little bit under 170,000 miles. Again, very well maintained. Never had any mechanical issues. Power heated seats. Stereo I never did upgrade, but I've heard you can upgrade them. I don't even want to mess with it, so stereo's fine enough. It's a Bose stereo. Did come with GPS as an option, but I'm glad it didn't come with it because they're junk. Anyway, oh, our skylight, sunroof, and show off that back seat. There is a, I was going to carbon fiber the side there. That's a common problem with the Infinitis. That side there, the leather's coming off. I was going to peel it off and just carbon fiber that side and this side. But anyway, sometimes you just gotta let things go. Other than that, back seats, everything is in excellent condition. Like I said, it's all showroom. I do want to point out the back here. I've noticed a little cracking up top on the see if I can show it in the video here. I probably can't. Here, it's just a little cracking up top there of the above the seat. Starting to show a little bit of wear, but other than that, definitely would say excellent condition. Kind of give you a walk around before I finish it up. Trying to think of anything else I've had replaced on it mechanically. Radiator's been replaced. All the sensor, battery been replaced a couple of years ago. I got everything. It's been extremely well maintained. Every 3,000 miles, oil changed, and I do use regular oil. I've not put synthetic in this. I do put Lucas oil, 1 quart of Lucas oil. I think it's what, 4 quarts of regular or 5 quarts of regular, or 1 quart of Lucas high mileage. It's the thick stuff. It almost looks like Vaseline. It's for I guess for engines with high mileage, but anyway, I baby it, so gotta sell it. If you're interested, just call the number on the ad. If it's already sold, I'm probably gonna just put a walk around tutorial video in the title, and that's how you'll know it's not available. So it says walk around tutorial video in the title. That means it's sold. Thanks.